Welcome back, guys. As promised, I have here the Power Rangers Dino Fury Mega Pack. Like I said, I think this one was possibly an Amazon exclusive. I'm not entirely sure. I picked this up a few weeks ago. I have noticed, like I said, this is what we're going to here. It's the plastic-free packaging. I really like being able to see what I'm buying. I think it was the Patera Free Zord I saw at Target here a few weeks ago. Still had the plastic packaging. I really, really liked it. I like to be able to see what I'm buying. But unfortunately, that's what we're going to. I'll try and flip this over, give you an idea what the back side of the box is. This was another thing that I really, as far as this release, I didn't care for. I'm used to all the old school stuff. I mean, that's what I grew up with. When you look at the back of this, like with the old boxes, they give you the different combinations and stuff, try and sell you on other toys that they've got. This is plain Jane, simple, to the point on these. They basically give you the different Zords, show you some combinations. There's nothing. This box is as plain as it gets. But, like I said, I guess when you buy one of these mega packs that they've got, they figure you know what you're getting, you're spending that money, oh well. We will see here. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to pause it in a few places so I can actually unbox this because there's a lot. It's actually pretty heavy. So yeah, after trying to unbox that one, there was no way I could do that one-handed and run the camera too. But here we have basically what we've got when we open up. We've got our instructions. Like I said, this is basically as plain Jane packaging as you get. And that was another one of the deals with the instructions. Now, I guess I'm detail oriented. I like seeing a little bit more of these. To me, are more reminiscent of my son's actually got a lot of the newer Transformers, the Beast Wars figures. The instructions are a lot like those. Basically just all figures showing you what can be done. No written instructions anyways. And on to the Zords. I really liked how this was packaged as far as keeping everything together. I mean, if you're one that likes to keep your stuff in box or maybe display it and then put it back up later, I mean, it's packaged really nice. You can keep things organized. But I was really impressed with that. Like I said, we've got all the parts. Got all the keys down here. Two here. Let me get this other paper out. The disclosures. Got the other keys here. It's really nice. And the thing, now I have to say, myself, I've not bought any newer Zords in a very long time. But this was new to me, was the new, I guess you'd say, connectors on these. They're basically like Legos. That's what it seems like to me. But that was a new thing to me, but I kind of like it actually. The more I look at it, the more I mess with it, I kind of like it. But like I said, the colors on these, I really like these new Zords. Colors are really nice. They're clean. The plastic on them, but I think that's with most new toys, especially Power Rangers. It seems like a cheaper plastic. But like I said, I can honestly say I'm used to dealing with old school stuff. That's what I deal in mostly. This box I got mainly for my son. This is going to be his Christmas present. But they have a bit of a cheap plastic but kind of clunky feel. But overall, they're a really nice set of Zords. Like I said, I like the connection methods that they... See if I can... I've got to work on in the next few weeks, figuring something out as far as a new way to run the camera while I'm doing stuff like this. But yeah, I'm impressed. Like I said, hopefully things are going to continue to get better as we go on with the new seasons. I'm really looking forward to the rest of Dino Fury, seeing what we've got. But yeah, they're really nicely detailed. But overall, that's basically all there is to on this set. I'm not going to get everything out and transform it, combine everything. But just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this in case anybody was thinking of buying it to see what they were getting. But again, if you like the video, comment, let me know what you think. Things I can do be doing better, working on. Just give us some likes. And I'm going to keep trying to crank out some videos here and there. Get us some new stuff on here. I've got a few things. Like I said, I have a few more mail call videos I'm going to do this month. I've got some really cool stuff coming in. I'm going to share with everybody. But until then, thanks, guys.